So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix that the Xbox game bar is not opening on your Windows. Now, in order to fix that, just simply open the settings of your Windows. Inside the settings, click on this option of apps. Inside here, click on installed apps. In this place, you need to find the Xbox client that is right there. Let me quickly select it, or just simply go to this option of gaming inside here and click on game bar. Once you go over there, make sure that this is enabled from here that says allow your controller to open the game bar. Once you enable it, you can open it using the keyboard as well as using the controller. The shortcut that is used as the Windows key plus G on your keyboard, and you can customize it as well if you want to furthermore. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.